Okay, one thing that happens to me all the time is the client does not know the difference between an intro image and a full image. And that's because they are not great descriptions, in my opinion, which is based solely on the opinion of pretty much 100% of my clients. So if we go to content and articles, let's edit an article and let's go to images and links, and you see we've got here intro image and we've got full article image. It's a little annoying that the client doesn't necessarily know to look here straight away, because we've also got another way of adding an image by clicking this button. But that aside, oh, you're not seeing my screen. I will help you out. We've gone into an article, and here we are. Intro image is here, full article image is there. Personally think that they've improved that slightly, but clients still find it a little bit confusing. As I was saying, they've got this image button here, which is, I guess, just a bit of an education you need to give them, because they're always going to find that confusing. But an intro image doesn't make much sense to me, and to most of my clients, it turns out. So let's find out how to improve that. I'm going to go to extensions and languages. Now, any of you who've watched my language overrides tutorial will see where I'm going with this. And it's an administrator one that I need to do, and it's new. And we know it's going to say intro image in it, so let's have a look for that value. Intro image, so there you go. Oh, it can either be that one or that one. This one is JMap, so it's probably not that one, so we'll go for that one. And this one we're going to call teaser image, which I think makes it quite a lot easier to understand. I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to do full article image. That can now just be called article image, I would say. Full article image, so there's two. This one's JMap, it's probably in the content one. Let's choose that. Article image. So now we close that. We look in our articles, we refresh, and go to that one. Teaser image and article image. Brilliant. I think that makes it a lot more understandable for clients, and I would recommend that you would do this sort of action yourself. There's probably other things you can improve as well. Perhaps we should discuss having this in Joomla, to be honest with you, but I'm sure that's a much bigger debate, and if you want to avoid that debate, just do it this way. Alright, I hope that helped. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow us on all the other socials, doing 100 videos in 100 days, so please support me by liking and sharing and commenting, and constructive criticism is welcomed. Please give it to me. Change your t-shirt might be one of them, because I've done about 7 videos in a row. Doesn't matter to me. Just hit me with it. I'll always try and improve, and I thank you for your help.